You have to stand tall and dream big. Aim for the stars, don't stop believing. Kick off the roof, surpass the ceiling.
Sean Mogowan, and this is the Jamaica Observer's Organ in One. I have predicted a total of 13 medals, 9 from the women and 4 from the men. But if we get some more, you know we're going to take it because we love Brata and our athletes are good for it. Now let's run into it. On Friday's first day of action, Jamaica will take the track in the 4x400 meters mixed relays. The heats and the final will be contested on day 1. So you don't want to miss it because we stand a chance of being on the podium. And you know we love medals. Now the other events to look out for. The 100 meters men, you know we're at again in that. That will be led by 2011 world champion Johan Blake and the youngsters. Like I said, at again, so you don't want to miss it. The other events to look out for will be the shot put led by Daniel Thomas Dodd, 2019 World Championship silver medalist, and she can go good again. Also in action will be the 1500 meters. Make sure you stay locked into the O Team's social media pages because we know if you miss it, we got you covered.